In the vibrant world of 2025, where digital landscapes have carved new paths for skilled entrepreneurs, Alex Jennings, a daring internet enthusiast and skilled digital marketer, embarked on a profound journey of turning side hustles into thriving full-time ventures. Chapter 1. The Scalable Launch. Alex, armed with a wealth of experience in various freelance gigs, understood the urgent need for a scalable business model. Observing the explosive growth in content-based business strategies, Alex decided to leap into the world of e-commerce and YouTube automation. Think big, Alex often reminded friends. Build something that can grow even while you sleep. Having settled on these models, Alex focused on deploying technology and tactics that allowed for leverage without the confines of traditional time investment. Chapter 2. Early systemization. Despite being a solo entrepreneur, Alex realized success hinged on systems, not chaotic individual hustle. In meticulous fashion, Alex crafted detailed workflow processes using Trello for task management and Notion for documentation of standard operating procedures. Automation was key, and platforms like Zapier became invaluable. It's like playing chess, Alex mused to colleagues. Every move needs a purpose, and every piece should be in position. Even started exploring AI tools such as ChatGPT for routine customer service inquiries and Midjourney for expedited content creation. Chapter 3. Delegating for efficiency. Revenue began to flow, opening doors to further expansion. Alex prioritized freeing up time by delegating mundane tasks, hiring skilled freelancers via Upwork, and training a proficient virtual assistant to manage operations. The mantra was clear: growth focus. Let automation take care of the rest, Alex advised in workshops, stressing the importance of concentrating solely on expansion. Chapter 4. Reinvesting for exponential returns. Profitability didn't signal leisure. It was a call to reinvest. With a strategic approach, Alex deployed income into targeted areas: advertising, team development, and cutting-edge tools. An astute plan was in place where 30% went to ad spend, 20% into team building, and another 20% to leveraging next-gen tools. Don't just make money, Alex enthused during webinars. Make money work for you. Always encouraging peers to reinvest as the core method to transition from mere hustle to substantial income. Chapter 5. Brand beyond business. In aiming to transcend financial success, Alex turned attention toward long-term brand building, realizing people connect with personal brands rather than faceless entities. Developing a strong web presence, authentic YouTube content, and dedicated social media engagement bolstered both trust and community. Price becomes a secondary concern when people are invested in your brand, Alex explained in seminars. Final chapter. Entrepreneurial evolution. Eventually, the fruits of labor transformed Alex from an enterprising hustler into a decisive CEO, leading a team and commanding passive income streams. Alex transformed the vision into reality, crafting a sustainable empire centered around strategic growth and robust systems. As Alex glanced at a thriving digital dashboard, a heartfelt reflection surfaced, a journey from simple beginnings to realized potential. Proving that with the right strategy and mindset, anything is possible. For those embarking on a similar path, Alex shared resources, blueprints, and insights, advocating for commitment beyond immediate wins to forging lasting legacy.